Are your fire-resistant home materials truly wildfire safe? Imagine your home as a fortress against wildfires. You've invested in fire-resistant materials, but how do you know they will really keep you safe? That's what we're here to find out. First, let's talk about roofing, which is often the most vulnerable part of a home during a wildfire. Materials like metal, synthetic roofing, clay tiles, and slate shingles are known for their high fire resistance. Metal roofs are non-combustible, lightweight, and can last between 40 to 70 years. Synthetic roofs can look like natural materials but offer better fire resistance. Clay and slate tiles are excellent at blocking fire, but they need to be installed carefully to prevent embers from sneaking underneath and igniting the structure. When choosing roofing, look for a Class A fire rating, which is the highest level of fire resistance. Moving to walls and structural parts, concrete and concrete panels are very fire resistant because they don't burn and can absorb heat slowly. Precast concrete panels are a good choice because they are consistent in quality and act as a strong barrier against flames and embers. Brick, stone, and stucco are also good options for exterior walls, but their effectiveness depends on how well they are built and maintained over time. Steel framing is another popular choice because it's strong and resistant to pests and rot. But steel can weaken at very high temperatures, around 600 degrees Celsius, and melt near 1400 degrees Celsius. To keep steel safe during a wildfire, it's best to add fire-resistant coatings or intumescent paint. These materials expand when heated, creating a protective barrier that shields the steel from extreme heat. Other building materials like gypsum board contain water that turns into steam when heated, which slows down fire spread inside walls and ceilings. Insulation materials matter too. Fiberglass is more fire-resistant than foam, which can catch fire unless treated with fire-retardant chemicals. There are also advanced fire-resistant fibers like Kevlar and Nomex. These are used in protective clothing and specialized equipment because they can withstand very high temperatures. While you won't find these in typical home construction, their development helps improve fire-resistant polymers and coatings used in building materials. For firefighters and those preparing for wildfires, using fire-resistant materials is just one part of a good plan. You should also clear flammable vegetation around your home, keep roofs and gutters free of debris, install ember-resistant vents, and seal gaps that embers could enter through. Fire-resistant materials slow down fire spread and buy you valuable time to evacuate or fight the fire, but they won't make your home completely fireproof if other vulnerabilities exist. In the end, fire-resistant home materials can make a big difference when they are chosen carefully, installed correctly, and maintained well. But remember, they work best when combined with other wildfire safety measures. Building smart and staying prepared helps protect your home and loved ones from the threat of wildfires.